Made it to Denver through the Colorado Springs area. Had some fun. I did some stealth camping, but also I am doing my first ever roadside shower at a travel stop. So we've got the Flying J. Yep, the Flying J. So kind of the Flying Jason. And I'll even go eat at Denny's next door. So alright, so we're here at Rocky Mountain National Park. Yeah, thought we'd just pull over up here, and I mean, most people, you know, you'd have lunch up here, right? I mean, this is where I would expect to have lunch every day. So, but yeah, not a bad sight. I think we're up about 12,000 feet. So we'll go outside a little later and get some more footage, but what's cool is we're hungry, so we're gonna eat. And that's the great thing about the old Dodge. It's like a scaled down Jurassic Park around here, because yeah, this is one of the friendly ones, but there's other elk just up the hill. They're flesh eating and they'll come for you. So we actually gotta be quiet. We have to talk like this. Got all sorts of wildlife over here. Still looking for Bigfoot. And people say that wherever there's deer, there's Bigfoot. So we're expecting to see Sasquatch right up this trail. So this is just outside of Granby and Grand Lake, Colorado. So you can see way in the distance there's a mountain, and apparently that's Abe Lincoln laying on his back with his arms crossed. So I don't know if you see it, but when we were pointed at when it was pointed out to us, we saw it. So, but yeah, it's a real nice campground, and we're going to say goodbye for now, but this is what we got.
Bye for now.
It's Colorado. Here's the aftermath of what looks like probably an avalanche this winter. So it just tore up the place. All that record snow they had. Water's running like crazy down there. A lot of trees got taken out here. Alright, we're out here just outside of Copper Mountain on our way to Leadville. And it's mid-June, the snow's not even melted yet. Thought we'd stop by and get a little shot of this, so check it out. I might be able to go down there and ice fish yet. Alright, here we are outside of Aspen, about 35 miles on the other side of Highway 82, Independence Pass. And we're just pulling over now, just give the van a little break, relax a little bit, take in some of this awesome nature. So we're going to be going up. It's called Independence Pass, and we're at the base of it right now, so we'll make our way. Alright, so we're right here at the base of Independence Pass. We're gonna go over this bad boy, and yeah, there was a lot of avalanches this season. Some of the aftermath of it. It don't matter what was here, it ran it over, threw it all down there. It's crazy. Yeah, so anyway, a lot of avalanches this year, a lot of action. can see all this damage that happened. So this is what we think about when we see Colorado. This kind of beauty. So we'll report from top and get some footage from up there, but this is right here at the bottom. So we're about ready to head up. Alright, so we're up here on the Continental Divide. So much snow up here, the bathrooms are even closed. So I'm gonna go back there and melt the snow a little bit more.
Jesus.
So anyway, up here on the Continental Divide, checking it out. Too much snow up here. Too much snow. Walked up over there, up over the top. There's a lookout up over there. It's pretty cool. We're just chilling around here tonight. We're gonna check out that moon. The moon's up there. Moon is in effect, so we're hanging out here outside of Glenwood Springs. We picked up some Glenwood Springs Brewing Company beer. Having a good old time. Checking out the water is just racing everywhere. All down there. So we like this site. It's gonna be good for tonight. So here we go. Alright, we're outside of Redstone, Colorado. And pulled off here. It's the White River National Park, or White River National Forest. Just decided to stop and check this little waterfall out. It's pretty cool. The waters are just raging this year. All the snow that's been falling. So anyway, we're gonna head down to Gunnison today and alright, we're over here at the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Checking out some of the canyon views here, and it's a very deep canyon. There's some water down below. It's a long gravel road to get here, but we made it, so that'll give you some video footage of what it looks like around here. Let's check this out. Close, there's some people way over there on the south rim. But it's pretty deep. I think we'll stand on that rock later. Parachute off. Every dull moment, Colorado.